Hi guys, Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Cumming, Georgia today. This afternoon, I guess I should say. It's just after 12. This was an 11 o'clock job. $373, I believe. Not much to see. The carpet was in really good shape. There was a couple areas to do, as well as 3 area rugs downstairs. The only issue the concern the homeowner had was this area right here where their daughter apparently didn't make it to the bathroom in time, and it smells nice. We did use a deodorizer on everything because they are pet owners. Again, there's no upsell or charge for that with pet owners. Deodorizer disinfectant is included. And if there had been, spots or things of that nature, as you know, with OMG, those are included. So we're wrapping this. This is obviously done. There wasn't anything to see before, so this is just the after video. Again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, 404-500-9853, or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. No per spot fees, no upsells, hidden charges, or things of that nature. There are a couple area rugs down here. Again, nothing to see on these, but there was I think that was 10 by 12. This one was 5 by 7. And there's another one here. 8.5 by 11, I think. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Take care.